Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using products from Sundara Nails to create a fun Valentine's Day mani. We're going to be using gel polishes, and we're also going to be diving into some fun spider gel, and we're going to be using some dotting tools to create some fun heart nail shapes. And then we're also going to be using the gel base and the gel top coat. Now the first color here, it's called Fluffy Clouds. Now this is a pure white gel polish. It's super pigmented and it is also HEMA free. And then this color right here, I believe it's called Ristra, and it is a beautiful vibrant red. It's almost like a neon red. It's super pretty. And then this fun spider gel called Red Mite. Now this is not your normal spider gel. This is a red holographic spider gel, and it is so pretty with all those holographic glitters in there, and it's just super pretty and unique, and I'm really excited to try out this spider gel. We will be making a set of press-ons today using Sundara Nail Jelly Tips in the shape Short Coffin. And then we're going to be using these fun dotting tools. Now how pretty are these with the diamonds in there? They are super sturdy. They're not like that cheap plastic feeling. These feel super high quality, and I'm really excited to try them. So right now I'm going to go ahead and apply gel base to all of the nails. Now the gel base is a great way to start out your mani because not only is it going to help with longevity of your mani, it's also going to help that application of that gel polish. It's going to give you a really smooth application. If you ever used any of Sundara nail gel products, they are amazing. They are HEMA free, and the color payoff of these gel polishes are amazing. You will see that here in action in just a few moments. All right, so let's get into this mani, and then I will pop back in when we get to the spider gel part. All right, now to the spider gel. I'm going to go ahead and use the smaller end of one of the dotting tools to help with that application. I'm just going to go ahead and stick the dotting tool in there, and I'm just going to carefully grab a string of that spider gel. Now spider gel looks really intimidating, but it's actually super easy to use once you do get the hang of it. You can also practice on like a swatch stick or or even like a press on like this before you actually do it on your actual nail. But it's very forgiving, so if you do mess up on your design and you do not like how the application is laying, you can take a lint-free wipe with some rubbing alcohol and you can wipe it off the nail before you cure it, and then you can try it again. So spider gel is very forgiving when it comes to that. So I am just making some lines. There's no like really rhyme or reason on how the lines are laying. That is the uniqueness of spider gel, and it's giving me kind of like that white chocolate covered strawberry vibe to it. I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and then we're going to add some fun heart nail art. All right, so now we're going to add some heart-shaped art to the nail, and I'm going to use the dotting tool with the medium size ball tip at the end of it, and I'm going to dip it into that nail polish jar, and I'm just going to go ahead on the nail and make 2 little dots on the nail, and then after that I'm just going to go ahead and make a small like little triangle after the dots to fill in the hearts, and that is as easy as it was to make these hearts. Now this was the first time I've ever made hearts on a nail, or really like anything nail art. Besides like the mummy nail that I did for my 25 Days of Halloween series, I don't really do a lot of nail art, but I really like the quality of these dotting tools and how sturdy they are. You can get a really nice, like, it just feels really nice in your hand, and it feels really controlled because I feel like they're a little bit heavier versus the dotting tools that I tried in the past that were a little bit like, they felt like really light. There's just something about how sturdy these are that really make it nice for nail art. So if you ever struggled with nail art, or are just intimidated of nail art, definitely give it a whirl because it's super fun. And if you are using gel products, you can always wipe it off before you cure it. So that's another reason why I cured my spider gel before I went in with the hearts. And I am going to add more hearts on the nail as well, but I'm also going to cure it each time, just because if I do mess up, I can easily wipe that off with a lint-free wipe. All right, so let's add some more hearts onto the nail, and then I will pop back in at the end.
We drove to New Jersey, your eyes saying I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I know you get buried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk. I know you.
All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. It was super fun to create. Sometimes you got to step out of your comfort zone, and nail art is definitely stepping out of my comfort zone. If you've been watching my videos for a while, I do not do a lot of nail art, but I am really liking how this turned out, and it was super easy to achieve. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. Definitely consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.